Hey there! Today I'm diving into something creamy, dreamy, and oh so versatile: coconut milk. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just someone who loves experimenting in the kitchen, there's a lot to learn about this tropical delight. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about the different types of coconut milk. Did you know that coconut milk is classified based on its fat content? Yep! You've got high-fat coconut milk with 15 to 20% fat, medium fat with 10 to 15%, low fat with 5 to 10%, and even coconut skim milk with less than 1% fat. That means you can choose the right one depending on what you're cooking or your dietary needs. Now, ever wondered how coconut milk is made? It's pretty simple but fascinating. You start by grating the coconut flesh, soaking it in water, and then straining the liquid to get that smooth, milk-like consistency. It's a process that turns hard coconut into something incredibly creamy. Let's move on to nutrition. Coconut milk is rich in calories. About 93% of those calories come from fat. But not just any fat. We're talking about saturated fats, including medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. Plus, it's packed with essential vitamins and minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron. So while it's rich, it's also nutrient-dense. Worried about how long it lasts? Here's the scoop. Coconut milk can be stored in the freezer for up to 6 months. Once opened, it'll stay good in the fridge for 7 to 10 days. And if it's unopened and kept at room temperature, it can last several weeks, even months, past its best-by date. Now let's talk about those ingredients you might see on the label. Some brands add stabilizers and emulsifiers like carrageenan and guar gum. These help improve the texture and extend the shelf life. Good to know, right? Feeling adventurous? You can make your own coconut milk at home. Just blend shredded coconut with hot water and strain it through a cheesecloth. It's fresh, customizable, and fun. Speaking of health benefits, coconut milk is known to support weight loss and body composition. It aids in metabolism and energy production. Plus, it has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. And guess what? It contains unique proteins that might offer even more health benefits. Finally, let's talk taste and consistency. Coconut milk can be adjusted to your liking. Light canned coconut milk is thinner and lower in calories, while homemade coconut milk can be made as creamy or light as you prefer. It's all about finding what works best for you. So, there you have it. Some surprising facts about coconut milk that you probably didn't know. Whether you're using it in your cooking or as a dairy alternative, understanding its characteristics and benefits can help you make the most of this versatile ingredient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious insights. See you next time.